Aggressive Hydraulics utilizes cellular manufacturing techniques to increase productivity and maximize operating efficiency. This component cell layout was strategically designed by the Aggressive Hydraulics manufacturing engineering team for the efficient production of hydraulic cylinder component parts. Within our component manufacturing cell, a single machinist can effectively operate up to 4 machines at one time. For this application, we are manufacturing head glands from ductile iron in our turning centers and processing the final machining operations for a rod mount weldment used on the same assembly. Technology we have applied inside the cell include a machining center, multi-axis turning centers with live tooling capability, and a fully automated CNC dual column saw. Utilizing the latest technology and manufacturing equipment, combined with our custom-built operating and scheduling system, we can produce a high volume of parts very efficiently with minimal setup or downtime between jobs. Aggressive Hydraulics is committed to investing in technology that will improve productivity and provide superior quality for our customers' products.